Hence it comes as relative density. So what is relative density? Relative density is density of substance upon density of water. Which substance have we taken over here? We've taken honey. Kitna hai honey ka density? 1.8 gram per centimeter cube. So I will take 1.8 gram per centimeter cube or 1.8 gram per ml divided by density of water. Density of water at 20 degrees Celsius is 0.997 gram per ml. 0.997 gram per ml. Okay. So if I round this off 0.997 to 1, okay, if I round it off to 1, so it will become 1.8 divided by 1. Okay, and when it is 1.8 divided by 1, the answer is 1.8. It remains as 1.8 gram per ml. Okay, gram per ml, I think it will get cancelled, no? It will get cancelled. So it will have no unit. It's a unitless quantity. It will be what? 1.8. What it will be? 1.8. Okay, 1.8 will be the relative density. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
So what was density, ladies and gentlemen? Right, what was the density? Density was relative density. Only density was mass upon volume. But when we talked about relative density will be in relation to density of water. Relation of a particular substance. I mean, density of a particular substance with relation to density of water is called as a relative density. Okay, it's called as what? Relative density. Getting this clear? All good, clear?
Yes, sir.
So your voice is breaking.
Why my voice is breaking, bhai? Why is it breaking? चलो check करते हैं. आ जाओ इसके ऊपर आ जाओ क्या? बोलो यार. Is it breaking now? Is my voice clear? Audible, crystal clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so relative density. Relative density is the density of substance with density of water in relation to the density of water. So let's come back to relative atomic mass and relative molar mass. Let's come back to relative atomic mass and relative molar mass. So when I'm talking about relative atomic mass, so first let me talk about atomic mass. Say for example, we are having atomic mass we take for elements. Okay, so say for example, we are talking about sodium, and sodium atomic mass is 23. Sodium atomic mass is 23. Can you see this? Can you see this written over here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is sodium atomic mass is 23, ladies and gentlemen. Sodium atomic mass is 23. Sodium atomic mass is 23, but it is not the relative atomic mass. So how do we calculate relative atomic mass? So relative atomic mass will be atomic mass of substance. Atomic mass of substance. Okay, atomic mass of substance divided by divided by 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. Right, 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. अरे सर क्या लिखा है 1/12 the mass of carbon atom? What is the meaning of this? See, atomic mass of substance. So which element are we taking over here? We have taken sodium. And what is the atomic mass of sodium? Sodium atomic mass is 23. Barabar. Now 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. What is the mass of carbon atom? बोलो यार इतना नहीं आएगा तो कैसे चलेगा? What is the mass of carbon atom? What is the atomic mass number? What is the atomic mass number of carbon atom? 12 is the atomic mass of carbon atom. And you're taking 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. See, carbon is C12, na? Carbon is C12. That's why we are writing what? 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. How much is carbon atom? 12. 1/12 we are taking over here. What is going to happen? 12 and 12 will cancel. What will remain? 1. So what will be relative atomic mass? It will remain as 23 only. Was before also it was 23. Now also it is 23. But what is the difference? The difference is earlier it was not in relation. It was not in consideration to 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. Now it is in relation with 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. Hence it's called as Hence it is called as the RAM, relative atomic mass. Right? Relative atomic mass. आ रहा है समझ में? बढ़िया एकदम.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, each one of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So similarly, we are having RMM. Now, what is RMM? RMM is relative molar mass. What it is? RMM is relative molar mass. What is relative molar mass? Relative molar mass, same thing. What same thing, sir? Relative molar mass is atomic mass. Yes, atomic mass of
Substance.
molecule. Okay, not substance this time. Here it was, the substance was atom, or you can say element. Here it was element. Okay, but here we are not taking element, we are taking molecule. Atomic mass of molecule divided by same 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. तो क्या होने वाला है? वही होने वाला है, same thing. Only thing we'll be taking molecule. Say for example, we take water. So water upon 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. Water ka mass is 18. So how you got 18? We know hydrogen is 1 into 2 because 2 atoms of hydrogen are there. Because oxygen is 16 into 1. 1 atom of oxygen is there. So 1 into 2 is 2, plus 16 into 1 is 16. So 2 plus 16 is 18. 18 divided by 1/12 the mass of carbon atom. 12 will cancel. 12 and 12 will cancel, and so we will get what? Bolo yaar, we'll get what? 18 only. So what is this?
18.
This will become, yeah, this will become RMM. RAM and RMM. How's that? Yeah, understood?
So that 18 will not have any unit.
18 gram भी बोलते हैं. Yeah, it is also used as something called as AMU. AMU is atomic mass unit. We also call it as AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Fine. So here we finish with RAM and RMM. Now you tell me what are the pointers remaining in this chapter from your textbook, Language of Chemistry. I think this is the first chapter of your textbook, right? Yes, Bela, anything remaining?
Yes, sir.
And Bela, which is the third chapter which is going to come for your unit test? Or any other, see in PPS also, you see this Bela is in Hutchings, and the others are from PPS, some other schools are also there. So whatever chapters you are having for your first unit test, please send it to me on WhatsApp.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Bela, which is the third chapter?
So it is water.
Chalega. Water also we will do. Okay, and what about the others? Kulona, others, have you all been given any unit test or anything like that? कुछ बताया है क्या आपको?
So we are
No,
having
sir.
it next month. Yes.
Next month, but do you know the syllabus?
Yes, so we'll have to
Yes,
check
sir.
it uploaded on the website.
चलेगा तो मेरे को बताओ, and whatever it is, please send it to me in writing on WhatsApp, and in case that chapter is not covered, please ping me. Okay, please ping me at least 2 weeks before the exam. Okay, don't tell me 1 day before the exam, I'll do this chapter. I can't do it. 1 day before the exam is not possible. And every school का अलग अलग syllabus रहेगा, तो every school का we cannot cover, but we'll try to cover most of the syllabus. Okay. This happens only a little bit in 9th, but in 10th we focus only on the board syllabus. So no fluff. We'll not focus on school syllabus, school unit test. We'll focus only on your board exam, because board exam will be common for everybody. चलो ये तो यहाँ तक हो गया. अब देखो ना यार, बुक में देखो, टेक्स्ट बुक में देखो तुम्हारे, is there anything remaining in this chapter? Check quick.
Sir, for our unit test, which is there in month of June, we have chapter 2.
Which is chapter 2, and who's कौन सा इक्वेशन लूं? थोड़ा बड़ा वाला लूं, चलेगा? इसमें बड़ा वाला इक्वेशन लूंगा, चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
Able to understand. Okay, समझना पड़ेगा आपको, समझ में आएगा. You all are intelligent people, I'm sure. समझ में आएगा. बढ़िया एग्जांपल देता हूँ. K2SO4 ने K2Cr2O7 K2Cr2O7 प्लस डाइल्यूट H2SO4. जैसे हम लोग ने एक रिएक्शन किया था K2Cr2O7 and HCl, बड़ा वाला रिएक्शन था. K2Cr2O7 plus 14HCl gives you 7H2O and KCl plus CrCl. याद है क्या? प्लस Cl2 also, nascent Cl वगैरह याद है? वो बड़ा वाला रिएक्शन था.
Yes, sir.
या सो उसी टाइप का रिएक्शन है, बट वहां पे हम लोग ने HCl एज एन एसिड, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड यूज किया था. यहाँ पर जो एसिड यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड यूज कर रहे हैं, H2SO4 यूज कर रहे हैं. राइट, वी आर यूजिंग व्हाट? H2SO4. So H2SO4 है ना ladies and gentlemen, I can simply write like this 4H2SO4. लेकिन ऐसे लिखूंगा तो मेरे को मजा नहीं आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको मजा नहीं आएगा. आपको क्यों नहीं मजा आएगा? क्योंकि you will not understand what is combining with what. I want to make you understand what is combining with what. So I would prefer writing H2SO4 like this: H2SO4, H2SO4, H2SO4 and H2SO4. 4 बार ऐसा लिखना पसंद करूंगा. Okay? Now will you understand this? Are you understanding why I've written 4 times? आपको एग्जाम में ऐसा 4 times दिखता है क्या? बिल्कुल नहीं. ये मैं क्यों लिख रहा हूँ फिर? ये मैं इसके लिए लिख रहा हूँ ताकि आपको समझ में आए who is combining with what, what is combining with what. So सबसे पहले हमको combine करना है K2 and SO4. ये चीज को combine करना है K2 and SO4. Okay, K2 and SO4 needs to be combined. फिर हम लोग क्या combine करने वाले हैं? अच्छा, K2 and SO4 combine हो गया. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा हमको? K2 SO4 मिलेगा. Okay, इनकी शादी हो गई. K2 and SO4 combined to form K2 SO4. Enough? Understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, फिर Cr2 को ले लो. Cr2 will combine with 3SO4. ये 3 SO4 के साथ में Cr2 की शादी होगी. तो what we will get? चलो अभी तुम बोलो मेरे को. I don't want dumb people in class. Quick.
Cr2SO4.
Yeah, K2 and SO4 combine to form K2SO4. Cr2 and SO4 will combine to form Cr2SO4.
Cr2SO4 3.
Correct. Cr2SO4 thrice. Why? Because we have taken 3S. Have we taken 1 SO4? Come on. Yes, we have taken 1 SO4, 2 SO4, 3 SO4. We have taken 3 SO4. That's why Cr2SO4 thrice. We don't call this as 3. We call this as thrice. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 thrice. अच्छा, H2 कितने हैं यहाँ पे?
4.
Or
Okay, 4 H2 are there. Okay, and how many oxygens are left?
7.
7.
7 oxygens are left. So I have 4 H2, I have 7 oxygens. I have 4 H2, I have 7 oxygens. I have 4 H2, I have 7 oxygens. I've not gone on loop. I'm repeating it for you. Okay, so 4 H2 out of 7 oxygens, it will combine with 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygens. 4 oxygens gone. How many oxygens left?
3.
3.
3.
3 oxygens left. So 4 H2O यहाँ पे बन जाएगा. Right, 4 H2, and out of the 7 oxygens, 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygens went with H2 to form 4 H2O. 3 oxygens are left. That 3 oxygens I'll write like this: 3 nascent oxygen. Balanced chemical equation. किसी को नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछो. नहीं समझ में आया है क्या ये equation? Anybody who has not understood this?
Sir, I.
Who's this
Sir.
I?
Sir,
Sir, is it
Aniraj.
necessary to put the brackets?
हाँ फिर ये वाला bracket ना?
No, sir. The one with O, oxygen.
Yes, this is nascent oxygen. Otherwise, how you write oxygen? O2. This is not your O2. This is nascent oxygen. Alag oxygen है. Highly reactive oxygen. Right. So that is different. O2 is
How do
different.
we
Nascent
get to
oxygen.
know how many sulfur, how many SO4 will combine with Cr and how many SO4 will combine with K2?
Yeah. So now K2. You know what is crisscross method? Are you aware of something called as crisscross method?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
तो करो फिर. ठीक है. K plus 1. SO4 minus 2. SO4 का valency is minus 2. Radical का charge is minus 2. Crisscross. So this is how I came to know that it forms K2SO4. It will require only 1 SO4 and we'll require 2 K.
But why can't we take 2 SO4s with K?
What? Why can't you take 2 SO4 with K?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you mean to say that you will write like this: K SO4 twice. Correct? Correct
Yes.
or no? You want to write like this: K SO4 twice. K का charge कितना है?
Plus
कितना है? Plus 1 है. K is plus 1. SO4 is how much?
minus
Minus.
-2. -2 और ये कितना नंबर है? -2 into 2 कितना हो जाएगा? -4 हो जाएगा. So +1 -4, is it equal?
No, sir.
It's not equal. So this structure is wrong. Why we do crisscross method? Because we want the charges to be equal. Now this k is +1, but +1 are how many k are there? 2. So +1 into 2 will become
+2.
+2. And how much is SO4? SO4 is -2. +2 became equal to -2. Good, you asked this question. Now it is equal. Now it is stable. समझ में आया क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? These charges need to be equal. That's why we are doing crisscross. तुम आप बोलोगे नहीं, I like the number. My lucky number 6. I will write K6 SO4 twice. नहीं चलता वैसा. नहीं चलता. There is a reason. क्या कितना कंबाइन करना है. ये प्लस माइनस चार्जेस इक्वल होने चाहिए. अरे कभी सोचा है क्या AlCl3 को AlCl3 क्यों लिखते हैं? तो तुमको मेथड सिखाया गया कि दिस इज -1, दिस इज +3, क्रिस क्रॉस करो. क्रिस क्रॉस करने के बाद में ये AlCl3 बनेगा. अरे बट दिस इज +3, दिस इज -1 into 3, so +3 and -3 become equal. That's why we are ionic compounds need to have these charges equal. +3 equal to -3. AlCl लिखेंगे गलत हो जाएगा. AlCl2 लिखेंगे और भी गलत हो जाएगा. AlCl4 लिखेंगे गलत हो जाएगा. AlCl3 राइट क्यों है? चार्ज इज इक्वल.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, each one of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because Cr now will be having a valency of beta 3 plus and SO4 is having a valency of -2. Crisscross. देखो बेटा Cr2 SO4 thrice. ठीक है. Cr का कितना है? +3 into 2 +6. Getting it?
Yes.
+3 into 2 +6 equal to sulfate का कितना? -2 into 3 -6. +6 is equal to -6. It is the right structure. That's why Cr2 is combining with 3SO. Yes, each one of you going to the core. So still we are on that reaction, partially balance the equation and all. So please come over here, all of you, please come over here, come back. I'll erase all this. Okay. So please come back over here. Pay attention. I will rewrite this equation. So why you are rewriting? ये ऐसा नहीं लिखूंगा, normally लिखता हूँ. ठीक है? So that आपको भी समझ में आए and you will otherwise you will write like this in exam. You're not supposed to write like this in exam. You're getting K2SO4 plus 4H2SO4 K2SO4 नहीं रे, K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7 plus बोलो क्या है? 4H2SO4 is giving me K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 thrice. एक लाइन में लिखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. Cr2SO4 thrice. K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 gives us K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 thrice plus 4H2O plus बोलो ना plus क्या? 3 nascent oxygen. Plus what? 3 nascent oxygen. Plus 3 nascent oxygen. Okay, what you can do is you can also take the entire, multiply the entire reaction by 2 so that you get 3O2. Otherwise, you can keep it like this also, no problem. You can multiply the entire reaction by 2, so ये 3O2 हो जाएगा. But if you are okay with 3 nascent oxygen, fine, no problem. अब आगे क्या करना है? अच्छा, आगे देखना, ये nascent oxygen जो है, ये हमारा हीरो है, ये ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है. तो nascent oxygen को next step में ले लो. This is our nascent oxygen. We are going to oxidize Ki. Okay. Then I'll be taking 3H2SO4. ऐसा करता हूँ. 3H2SO4 पहले लिखता हूँ. 3 nascent oxygen बाद में लिखता हूँ. 3H2SO4. Sir, why 3? I'll tell you. Okay. 3H2SO4. 3 nascent oxygen. 3 nascent oxygen है. So 3 nascent oxygen को मेरे को combine करना है 3H2 के साथ. Right? That's why I've taken 3H2SO4. I'll get 3H2O. समझ में आ रहा है कि क्या कर रहा हो? हेलो, है क्या सब लोग? All of you with me?
Yes, sir.
All of you raise your hands. Those are with me, raise your hands. Raise your hands, those who are with me. Yeah. Yeah, only 9, right? Okay. How many children are there? 9 children are there in today's. One person has not raised his hand. One person is sleeping. Still finding maybe from where to raise the hand. Okay. So तुम्हारा chance जाता बेटा. Or you are not paying attention at all. So lower down your hands. All of you. Lower down your hands. Okay. So all of you here. Ki plus 3H2O. So 3H2 and 3O combined to form 3H2O. Then there are 3 SO4 over here. There is not one. Do you want me to write 3 H2SO4 3 times H2SO4, H2SO4, H2SO4? Do you want me to write like that? Do you want me to write like that?
No, sir.
हाँ बोलो नहीं तो नहीं बोलो. Right. So there are 3 SO4. जैसे इधर लिखा था ना 4 H2SO4 थे तो 4 H2 भी 4 थे, SO4 भी 4 थे. तो अभी यहाँ पे 3 H2SO4 जब लिख रहा हूँ तो H2 3 है और SO4 भी 3 है. So K and SO4 will combine. Now remember that K will combine with SO4 to form K2SO4, or SO4 क्योंकि 3 है will have to multiply over here by 3. I cannot write SO4 thrice, तो formula गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. So I'll have to write 3 K2SO4. 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. I have to write 6 over here. 6 Ki. Sir कैसे आपको पता चला? अरे 3 2s are 6 होता है ना. 6 K. पोटेशियम कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? यहाँ से आ रहे. To balance this, I wrote 6 K over here. Then how many I am having? 6 I am having. 6 I will form 3 I2 over here. 3 2s are 6. 3 I2, 3 2s are 6. Okay. Hello. डर लग रहा है क्या? Equation से डर लग रहा है क्या?
No, sir.
I hope. Okay. So अभी क्या करना है? This is actually it was one equation, but I've split this into 2 equations. So which one equation it was? See, I'm now combining the equations. While combining the equations, you have to remember one rule. While combining the equations, you have to remember one rule. That rule is whenever you combine 2 equations, you have to cancel whatever is present on the left hand side and right hand side. So the left hand side और right hand side में arrow के left hand side और right hand side में जो कुछ भी same है उसको cancel करो. यहाँ पे 3 nation oxygen same है, 3 nation oxygen same है, मैं cancel करूँगा. Because when I'm combining, how foolish it will be. ऐसा लिख रहा हूँ मैं 3 nation oxygen giving me 3 nation oxygen. ठीक है? Does that make sense? Right? तो reaction क्यों क्या फिर H2O giving you H2? What is this? Hello. Reactant अलग होना चाहिए, product अलग होना चाहिए. इसके लिए we cancel whatever is present same on the right hand side and left hand side, that we cancel. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. So that's why we have cancelled 3 nation oxygen, 3 nation oxygen. Sir, cancel this H2, H2, same. But it is not on the same side. Hey, serious look. This H2 is on the right hand side. This H2 is also on the right hand side. I cannot cancel. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, whatever is same on right hand side and left hand side, that you can cancel. H2O both are on right hand side. That I cannot cancel. समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, K2SO4, cancel this. Can I cancel K2SO4?
No, sir.
No. Why I cannot cancel K2SO4?
Because both are
Are on the same side.
Yes, K2SO4 is on the same side. That's why I cannot cancel. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine these two. I'm trying to fit in the window. Yeah. I want to combine these two equations. Now, how do we combine? Whatever is same on left hand side and right hand side, that you go on combine. Whatever is same on whatever is same on left hand side, right hand side, that you have cancelled. Now, whatever is remaining on left hand side of the arrow, write on left hand side of the arrow. Whatever is remaining on right hand side of the arrow, write on the right hand side of the arrow. Meaning what? Meaning you will copy paste. नकल करने में अकल चाहिए, नहीं तो शक्ल बिगड़ जाती. नकल करने में अकल चाहिए, अकल के साथ में कॉपी पेस्ट करो. चलो आओ कॉपी पेस्ट करो. K2Cr2O7 I'll write over here. K2Cr2O7 कॉपी पेस्ट किया. 4H2SO4, 4 plus 3. H2SO4 are on the same side. That's why I cannot cancel. So 4 plus 3 कितने हो गए? 7H2SO4. Right? Where 6 Ki is also on the left hand side. 6 Ki on the left hand side. So I've written 6 Ki. Anything else remaining on the left hand side? No. Right hand side, K2SO4. Right. K2SO4. How many? 1 plus 3, 4 K2SO4. 1 plus 3, 4 K2SO4. correct? 4k to s4 because they are on the same side. I have added 1k to s4, 3k to s4. 1 plus 3 4. ये दोनों कंबाइन कर रहा हूं बेटा. कंबाइन करने के बाद में कंबाइन करने के पहले जो कुछ भी सेम था वो कैंसिल कर दिया. अब ऑन दी सेम साइड सेम है तो वी आर एडिंग इट. वी आर कंबाइनिंग बोथ द इक्वेशन. सो 4k to s4 समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Then Cr to s4 thrice. 4 plus 3 7h2o. Sir, how 7h2o? Are Cina 4h2o, 3h2o, 4 plus 3 7h2o. Then k to s4 and 3k to s4, 4k to s4. Cr to s4 thrice I have written. Then what is remaining? H2O भी हो गया. I2 बाकी है खाली. So 3I2. समझ में आया कि नहीं? देखो जरा. Yes, this is the final equation. ये स्टार्टिंग में ये बड़ा इक्वेशन लिख के देता था, चक्कर आके गिरते थे वहां पे. डायरेक्टली बड़ा इक्वेशन लिख के देता था. तो फिर क्या किया हम लोग ने? बड़े इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करना था, तो बड़े इक्वेशन को पार्शियल इक्वेशन मेथड से किया. व्हाट इज पार्शियल इक्वेशन मेथड? वी स्प्लिट द इक्वेशंस. वी स्प्लिट द इक्वेशन इनटू टू. वी बैलेंस्ड देम. इंडिविजुअली बैलेंस किया दोनों को बैलेंस करके फिर से कंबाइन कर दिया. ये मिल गया. क्या मिल गया? ये फाइनल इक्वेशन. अच्छा, डायरेक्टली ये फाइनल इक्वेशन देता, ऐसा सिर पे हाथ पकड़ के बैठ जाते तुम लोग. सर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा, क्योंकि बड़ा इक्वेशन डायरेक्टली समझ में नहीं आता. हाँ, अभी आपको समझ में आया है. आई होप सो, आई अज्यूम, आई प्रिज्यूम कि आपको समझ में आया, क्योंकि वी हैव कंबाइंड बोथ द इक्वेशंस. दोनों इक्वेशंस को इंडिविजुअली बैलेंस किया, फिर ये फाइनल इक्वेशन देखा. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पार्शियल इक्वेशन मेथड. हाफ हाफ इक्वेशन को लिया, बैलेंस किया, फिर से ज्वाइन कर लिया. अंडरस्टैंडिंग और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Each one of you.
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है क्या? कड़क है, कड़क है, कड़क है, कड़क है. कड़क मतलब what? It is a phenomenal concept. If you have got it, nothing like it. Okay? If you have understood, you will be even one step ahead than your teachers in school. Right? You'll be one step ahead. So it means that it is a premium concept. Right? If you have understood, you'll be one step ahead than your teachers as well. Right? अच्छा, स्कूल में कैसे एग्जाम्पल देते? सिंपल एग्जाम्पल देते, इजी वाले जो उनको आते हैं. लाइक दिस सिंपल एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक दिस. Zn plus Cu2 plus gives Cu plus Zn. बैलेंस करने जैसा भी नहीं है इसमें, but still to show you how it goes, it is like this. I'll split these equations into two. So Zn is giving away 2 electrons to form Zn2 plus, and copper Cu2 plus is gaining 2 electrons to form copper. तो ये इक्वेशन था, उसको स्प्लिट किया, बैलेंस किया. बैलेंस करने के बाद, बैलेंस करने के लिए कुछ था ही नहीं, ऐसे ही बैलेंस था वो पहले से. राइट? सो 2 electron is same on left hand side, right hand side. उसको कैंसिल किया. whatever is remaining, write it down. Zn plus Cu2 plus लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे Zn plus Cu2 plus है, राइट हैंड साइड पे Zn2 plus है, plus Cu. So we have got this equation again. अगर कुछ बैलेंस नहीं होता तो we would balance it and then combine it. This is called as partial equation method. समझ में आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, partial equation method in your brains. See, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ आपको टेक्स्ट बुक के बाहर सिखाया. ऐसा बड़ा वाला इक्वेशन है ना आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में, K2Cr2O7 और आई थिंक KMnO4 और HCl का भी है. K2Cr2O7 HCl और KMnO4 HCl. बड़ा इक्वेशन है. That means you are used to, I mean, the textbook or the council wants to make you used to these big equations. Your teachers are not teaching it. That is a different story. Totally different story. But I believe that you should, if it is given in the textbook, we should know it and we should understand it. Okay, have you understood? Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, आपको जो समझ में आया है वो शायद 11th और 12th स्टैंडर्ड के टीचर्स को अगर समझ में आया है तो उनको भी समझ में नहीं आता ये कॉन्सेप्ट, क्योंकि सिंपलीफाई करके उनको कोई किसी ने पढ़ाया नहीं. मैंने आपको सिंपलीफाई करके पढ़ाया. So now you will be able to grasp this, and at least not, you will not have to, you know, you can't be like something like ऐसा, हाँ टीवी सीरियल चल रहा, हाँ अच्छा सिखाया, गुड मस्त सिखाया, ओके अच्छा. तो आपको you will not gain anything, सिर्फ अच्छा होगा. You will have to go through its brainstorming, right? 3 times this equation you have written down already. You're taking notes, right? You've written down this equation. Practice it 3 times, 4 times on your own without seeing. कि यार ये कैसे बैलेंस किया, ये पहला स्टेप कैसे किया, दूसरा स्टेप कैसे किया. ऐसा जब करोगे तब you will gain perfection and mastery. Otherwise, okay, अच्छा सीखा है सर ने, मजा आता सर को, ऐसा बीच में कुछ तो भी बोलते मजा आता सर, लेकिन you will not understand. Okay, so if you want to understand, make sure that you are learning. Okay, make sure that you are learning. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this was a basic equation of K2Cr27 plus 4H2SO4 giving you K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 plus 4H2O plus 3 extra oxygen और फिर दोनों को combine किया, ये मिला, फिर ये हम लोग ने ये किया, these two, and we've got this. Okay. So this is your this marks the end of this chapter. Is there any other point remaining in this? Just check and let me know. Is there anything else remaining? Who's checking? Bela, are you checking in your textbook?
Yes, sir.
Bela, I have heard this name, Bela Shende. Bela ki Shende. Bela Shende. She was a very famous actress or singer, I think. Singer teacher.
Yes, sir.
Correct. All right. So are you checking? Are you done? Is there anything left in this chapter? Language of chemistry. Have you completed this? Chalo, jaldi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everything done?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. So today what you will do? Today you will solve question answer. I've already sent you the worksheet on language of chemistry. Have you solved that worksheet? I haven't received your worksheets. Hardly 1 or 2 children have sent, but others have not sent the worksheet. मैंने आपको भेजा कि नहीं language of chemistry? भेजा क्या नहीं? भेजा ना? भेजा आपको language of chemistry. तो आपने मेरे को written assignment solve करके नहीं भेजा. उसके पहले मैंने आपको फर्स्ट चैप्टर का भी असाइनमेंट दिया था, फर्स्ट नहीं सॉरी एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर और केमिकल बॉन्डिंग का भी असाइनमेंट दिया था, उसमें से भी 4-5 लोगों ने भेजा, बाकी के लोग गॉन विद द विंड. So you are not doing your work sincerely. What I can do? Okay, so please do your work sincerely. Number 1. Number 2, ये उसका असाइनमेंट और इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आज आप मार्क करोगे क्योंकि ये चैप्टर आपको मंडे को टेस्ट में आ रहा है. Tomorrow we will discuss a few question answers on this, or you will be ready with your your entire language of chemistry tomorrow. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? We'll discuss a few question and answers tomorrow, and then we'll start with the next chapter, that is water. Okay, I'll end this meeting right now. I'll end this meeting right now because then 10th standard children will start joining in. Okay, so I'll end this meeting right now. Okay, all right.